How can I improve my sex life? Sex is not just a reproductive or pleasurable activity. It also has many health benefits, like releasing the hormone oxytocin in your body, which improves your mood and reduces anxiety. Having regular intercourse also boosts your self-esteem and improves your sleep. However, with increasing age, stress and poor lifestyle affect the sex life. Furthermore, regardless of whether you already have a satisfactory sex life or how much you believe you are capable of, you sometimes need a boost to enhance your sex life and please your partner. The more open you are about sex, the easier it becomes. So, if you want to spice things up, we have put together some of the best sex tips for men to make you unstoppable in bed. However, whatever your age, you can apply these tips to improve your sex life with your partner. Number 1. Listen to your partner. Yes, I know you hear your partner, but are you actually listening to them? Conversations are a two-way street, and you have to do more than just wait for your turn. You need to really understand what the other person is saying. Listen to what your partner is telling you, internalize it. And let them know that you understand. This is what we call active listening. Research finds that active listening tends to increase relationship satisfaction, and that can help lay the groundwork for a happier and healthier sex life. Number 2. Don't be afraid to schedule your sex. Modern life is busy, very busy. And that means that finding the time for sex, and a time when both partners are in the mood, can be challenging. The world expects us to be hyper-connected all the time, and that means our jobs can hound us at every turn. And when we add in kids, pets, household chores, and paying the bills, there's not a lot of time left for spontaneous fun. We're tired, exhausted, stressed. As unsexy as it sounds initially, planning a sex night can turn into something you and your partner anticipate with glee. In addition to building up anticipation and excitement, scheduled sex also creates an opportunity to get into the right mindset beforehand. It encourages you to disconnect, relax, and focus on fun and pleasure. Not only that, but couples who have sex on a schedule often find that they end up having more sex spontaneously too, because they feel more connected. Number 3. Take the time to explore your partner's body. The goal of sex isn't to come as quickly as possible. And, in fact, when orgasm becomes the only goal, it can make sex less satisfying by amping up performance pressure. Sex then becomes about a goal or achievement rather than an experience to be fully enjoyed. Treat sex like an adventure. Explore, experiment, and take your time. Find the parts of each other's bodies that are electric. For some people, it's their feet or legs, their inner thighs, or their neck. Others react strongly to nipple stimulation or having their ears nibbled. There's more to sex than what's between your legs. Think about making it a full-body experience. Number 4. Communicate in the bedroom. Communication in any relationship is indispensable for creating a strong bond between a couple, and a part of that communication is communicating about your desires and fantasies. Sexual communication is when you and your partner are able to express your needs and wants without the conversation being awkward, taking into account what the other feels. It's a fulfilling, satisfying, and a fun part of life. The physical aspect of love is an important part of a relationship, and communicating with your partner about it only helps to make it better. Sexual communication will make it easier for you to take pleasure in sex with safety and have a satisfying sex life. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Thank you.